What's up, gentlemen and ladies? I'm working on just a short video on showing how to change the cab airbags on a Freightliner Cascadia. So pretty much these bags came with the truck. You can tell, I don't know if you can tell very well in the video, but this one is bigger than that one. This one is starting to peel, and that one looks different. So as preventative maintenance, what I usually do is I just change them and put the same one, so we can avoid issues before they happen, before this pops and then we have an issue, start leaking air and all that stuff. So the first thing you do is you just, if you can raise the air in the truck, raise it, then put a jack and jack the cap so that you can change the bags. This is the part number for the bag, ABS Z70-7215. I'm gonna jack the other side. Just put a regular jack it, change it. While I'm changing it, I'll show you the how simple it is, the process. It's a pretty simple process, but let me just show it to you. I'm gonna go around the other side. Just gonna jack. Of course, it's always good to use the right tool for the right job. Just once you do that, the bottom is a quick connector. Just take it off. The bags will deflate. There's a clip underneath there. Just unclip it. Just pull the old one off. There's a clip at the top. Bottom is an air connector, and then there's another clip. So the process is just pretty much simple. Take the new bag. Bottom, the connector, air connector, clip on top. Same thing. You might need to raise it so the new bag fit in. Just raise it some. Makes it a little easier to stick the new bag. Just top and the bottom, it just goes in. Whew. Just raise it some. Make it easy. Right here, I'm just using the jack for my truck, for my pickup. Just set it in there. Just turn it how you want it to show. The writing on the back side, whatever, it all works the same. And just stick the airline back in. I'll repeat the process on the other side. The other side is exactly the same, just unclip it. Quick connect. Clip it. Just put the back on. New one. Bottom. Put it on, sit it in, then you put your airline back on. Put the airline back on. So when you lower, your jack, the leveling valve will open, and the bag, and when you lower the jack, the leveling valve will activate, and will start feeding air into the bag. Then all those creases and everything gets blown out, and we're good to go. Lower the jack. Lower the jack. Don't worry about the creases, because when the airbag gets inflated, it'll pop out and sit correctly like it's supposed to. See that? Now I'm gonna start the truck, and yeah, it's got enough air. See how it's inflated, and everything sits back like it's supposed to. Now I've got 2 new bags. Alright guys, thanks for watching. Please subscribe, like, and share the video to help with the YouTube algorithms. Anyway, that's how you change the bags on a cab for a Cascadia. This one in particular is a 2014. It's just clips on, clips off, and then once you set it back down, the air feeds into the bags, and the bag, all the creases get fixed. I'm gonna turn on the truck just to feed more air so these bags get fully inflated. But that's the process. Hope you like it. Tell me in the comments if you want me to make some more videos like this. I'm gonna make another video of how to change the shocks. That's a pretty simple process. I'll show you in the video. Thanks. Like and subscribe.